Okay, so welcome back to our daily backtest. Oh, uh-oh. So I can't change this anymore. Anyway, okay. So anyway, mm, welcome to our daily backtest. Hopefully, I can consistently do this every day. It's just life is so busy right now. Anyway, CPI week. So you could trade Monday, Tuesday, London. Monday, Tuesday, LO and NY. Then with NY only 9 a.m. Uh, we were uh um 10:30 a.m. news. So then Thursday EU London NY. Friday can skip it from double for the that yeah, the, um NY, LO, and NY if there is a plus setup. Okay, so London, NY, daily. I mean weekly first. So we need to learn our overall bias. Okay, so we have quite a rejection here. A lot of liquidity here. So hmm, this is kind of reversal candle. We sweep the previous week high and the previous week before that. So we could be bearish here. I mean towards bearishness, possibly here. Uh, After that, I'm not sure if we go a little higher or lower. Depends on how we react on this equilibrium. Equilibrium, this range. Here. Oh, so here we close below that range. Oh, it still shows a reversal candle. Um, yeah. So we set hard here. So probably we might do this. Yeah, or that. So we don't know. Here let's see if it also supports that bias. Here, yeah, so you can see a quite rejection on this weekly fair value gap. I think I'll just let that stay. The weekly. So we have a rejection here. So, but um, yeah. So we have taken this no week last week and then the imbalance also. So yeah, it supports a higher time frame narrative. We have also bullish close here. Although we're not the same close as EU, but I expect price higher. So we'll see. Okay. For the daily, yeah. So daily we close above this Monday. So we close above this. It's already just no no. So we close above this. So this is our order block already. Yeah, we can consider the change the state delivery. We also um swept the daily order daily fair value gap here. Mm, same here. We close above this order bearish body. We close above that. So a body that took a what call this a liquidity. Same here. Yeah, we close below. We're tracing to it. Um, expecting to at least respect the 50% of the candle. 50%. Mm, yeah. So expecting a bounce there. Mhm. So yeah, we are all overall bullish. We'll see. Okay, so I've added that we should look the 4 hour. I usually don't look at the 4 hour anymore, but seems like it is an important time frame. Yeah. So like I said, we are bearish here. We're bullish here. LJ state delivery with FVG. Sorry guys, I'm kind of sleepy right now. Okay, so here we have a fair value gap here for our fair value gap that we might retrace into. Um, so we can also see that we have an S&P already here, and let's say here. I can't tell if this is an S&P already because it's not a close candle yet. So overall, I can see a bullishness here. Geo is stronger. We also have a S&P here actually if we don't trade into this one. So we'll see. Move to the hourly. Uh, yeah, I want the the excited trade above here, the CB, so that we can frame good manipulation to continue higher. So let's do this. This, okay, that's 1 a.m. Remember, GU is stronger here. Other than C, S&P right now. The 4 hour shows bullishness, like I said, because we get traded to this. So yeah, so we really have an S&P here, as you can see. I need to mark this gap. So, so open, close, open. So that's a gap. Same here, here. So this is where we go close, then this is where we open. So there's a gap there. So the gap, the weekly gap seems inconsistent here. Close, open. But I believe that's our target. So we might not retrace here on the GU since I said it's stronger. So we'll see. Um, okay. So maybe we already have something on the 30 minutes. entry within the 15 minutes. So this is sad, but let's see. Okay, like I said, we're bullish, right? So um, I like this. We put a G here, so we can call it an SMT. Um, so SMT here. It's really hard to predict this right now. Uh, you can see that we're retracing against the weekly annual new week opening gap. So I think I'll just, oh my god. So we haven't closed yet. When is Monday, 2 a.m.? Oh, okay, then. Wow. So we are having quite an expansion here. I'm not sure what's happening here. It's kind of chaotic right now. So we have, I am bullish, by the way. So yeah, so this is what I said that I want to build here. Maybe this is the time that we're given an entry. See how it goes here. Maybe we move to 30 minutes because the price is moving so fast. Okay, that's a good one. Probably we'll see if we respect this EQ. If we respect that one, and there's a highly likely that we're reversing here. There. There. So we're respecting here. Um, we'll see if we can see a 2 minute entry here. Yeah, we already have. So this is a candle 2 a.m. So we should go for 3:30, right? Open high low close, which we already did. We already have a week here. And so so this is a 3 a.m. open here. So we already have a week. That's the open. There's a fair value gap here. I would say we can long this one. Let's see if we have a target. Yeah, we have the LR here. So I guess we target 2R. Let's see if we get an entry or we just limit 1%, save journal. So we bias H1OF. Wait, do we? Yeah, we're bullish here. Everything's the delivery here, right? The 4 hour support, it's also, yeah, we're bullish here. Mm. We have a target here. So this we will break even. Then 2 R for when to get some partials there. This materialize, obviously. So H1OF C2 C3. Um C2 C3, and then the last one is very bias. The last one. Um with valid target. Sorry. With valid target. So I'll rate this 4 star, 5 star with SMT. Proceed. Let's see. Okay, that's not good. Okay, I think I can. Uh, Seems that we're looking bullish here. I mean, we're looking bearish here. Yeah, that IFPG. So this doesn't look good. Yeah, but let me hold the trade. So since we traded to the 1.5 R, um, I'm thinking if we should break even or not. Yeah, let it play. Okay, stop out. Oh, looks like really this is manipulation. Okay, not a manipulation. Hmm. So we have an SMT here. This our position. Yeah, so I should follow my rule to be at 1.5 always. So anyway, hmm, we'll see if we can see a setup in Iraq. Drop to H4. Let's see. Okay, so we have a bullish cross, bearish cross here again. This does not look good at all. So we'll see. We'll make it develop first. All the first are it's not close yet. Um, the previous close is also not good looking. Seems like it's not clear yet. So yeah, I'll wait. 12 actually 6 a.m. So we should have moved for entry here. I think we can still do this one. Um, last long for the day. If we lose this one, then let's see. I think we're good here. Just to control the RR. I need to save that one first. Sorry about that. Here. That's a good trade. It was just that. Hmm. Oh, what happened here? So those should be here. So, so far here. Anyway, with the sleep page, I think I won't get filled here. Yeah. So just accept the loss. Uh, just here to gather data on it. I could have prevented that loss to break even at least. So we're going to try again. Um, there's lagging. Yeah, so we'll see. Mm, bias. Okay. Valid target C2, C3. Okay. This for start trade. Still. Oh my god. Okay, we're good here. Uh-oh. The fuck? I really hate this when this happens. It just went, so it just exploded out me. Engineered liquidity here, which is obviously will be hit. So how could I enter here? No, I could not have anticipated that. Because they could just have picked. Let's say we entered here. Um, then there is, but we're not sure that we're going to retrace right, but yeah, we reached the target. No, that's not the target. Here's the target. Anyway, I'll just this one out. Save this. There goes an overfill. Just take the screenshot. What happened? Oh, here is delete that one. Bring back okay. So two trades, no fill for the first one. Then the second one, we get that out here. Good trade, hard trade. So yeah. Anyway, this is an NY. We'll see if it gives us another trade here. But it's really large expansion. So we'll see if we can find some retracement here. Oh my god, what happening here? What? There's no news. Okay, so this is absurd. No. See, even on the 3 minutes, could we have an entry here? No, not really. Well, yeah, here, but we don't have a week here. We could possibly trade there. It's just sad. This is just sad. It's a lot of tips here. Uh, so this is my problem with the system. I don't know how to catch this trade unless I buy stuff here. Um, the thing if I buy stuff there, there's a possibility that uh they just wicked us and then come back here. But we'll see. I'll try doing that. Okay, so I don't think we have an entry after that large mouth. Okay, I think we do. If we close, no, I don't trade past 11 a.m. though. I'm already working that time. I think we're just consolidate here. Yeah, consolidate here, retrace during NY, and that's a good suit. Sorry for that brief pause. So we're still bullish, right? Gonna have an SMT here. See here for hour. Yeah. So this is a 21-hour candle. It goes 1 a.m. So this is that it goes. Okay. So SMT confirmed. Uh, SMT confirmed. So I like trading this one. I think because I won't trade here anymore. So the SMT, we also have a good rejection here. Uh, good trade at least here. Got highs. There's also a lot of liquidity here. So yeah, we'll see. Our We have FPG here, so we might go lower still. But we'll see about that. I'm not quite convinced yet. I guess that's it. We know. Okay, that's nice. 19 validated. Oh, that's a nice candle. If we close like this, never mind. Oh, so we're going fast here. Okay, see how it goes here. Okay, that's a nice close. That's a nice close. Okay, so there's a sweep here inside the fair value gap. This is cleaner. Okay, and yeah, so we have an SMT here. This is a good. I like this setup. This is a A plus for me. Um, the G is stronger. Should take G. This stronger. See 30 minutes here. Yeah, so we could always look for entry 3 AM. But I would like G to create a week first, so we'll see. Okay, okay, that's a nice week. Just don't overdo it, bro. Okay. I'll try to buy stuff here. Let's see. And the legs though. And we don't have a target. Yeah, stay high. It's too much. Um, oh wait, I retraced. Possibly here. Stop us here. Then think it will fail. If we fail this candle, then we're most likely going down there. Either way. Um, it's, oh, sige. So this is a 30-minute strike candle. Is it? Yeah. Okay. So I believe I can make this tighter. I think that's good enough. I'll still limit this one. So with daily bias still. Do we have a daily bias still? Sorry. We close bullish here, right? So bullish. Without myself there. Anyway. Mm, um, each one over. Yeah. So C2, C3. Uh, valid target. I would say previously I still valid target. So yeah, valid target. I think here with valid target, you always have valid target. So we have also H1 SMT, if I forgot. Hopefully it's a 5-star trade for me. We'll see. There's an SMT here. We could have entered somewhere here, right? So I think it's 15 minutes. They didn't give anything at all. There's no way we could have entered that unless this IFE. This is 230. Oh, I mean 218. So it's 2 a.m. candle still. It's not. So this is. So we're going to enter here. This close. And that's quite risky because, I mean, what? Okay. So if we did that, we got stuff up and then another expansion again. So that's the only way I think. But it was a losing trade. Either way. And it's too risky. I don't know how to catch those type of trades. But anyway, let's proceed with this one. It's getting late already. Uh, okay. This is bullshit. Of course, I won't be trading that anymore. Um, yeah. I could have entered here. Oh my god. And had a quick TP. So, there's no fill here. So I guess if I see a candle near the CSID, I would just take that one and just. I'm kind of torn because sometimes it would, if I took this one, actually we already made a week here before doing that. Anyway, this is another lesson. This is a 5-star grade, by the way. Yeah. Okay, we'll see if we can find another. I would like it to consolidate first before continuing. That would be the best. Wow. Wow, just wow. That's the banana candle. We don't have time use. This is insane. Let's see what will happen. 30 here. Let's leave it here first. Nothing much. Would have just entered on the C1 right? Doing this, doing this. Let's target to I would not expect it to trade here though, so maybe here. I don't know. And here, 30 minutes can call it. No, that's the earliest that you can do. 1.5 hour. This is like we have a consolidation here, and then we have a tasty delivery here again. Um, if you close like this, that we could look for a trade on depending. We could already look at it right now. 9:30. We're already yeah, so 9:30 supposedly. So this is the close. Could have entered right away. Mhm. Yeah, this is stressing out. So let's see. There was we just had this here. Target this one. Oh, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. If we really try to push this one, but the R is good, so we'll see. Let's see if it's really good. So gonna see. Uh, so let's. So this is still us. So this is C1, C2. This is C2, even though we don't sweep the law. I mean, if we convert this into minutes, yeah, so this is still C2. You get the money. Okay. So sorry about that. I would market enter here. I don't really like taking trades like this because let's see, H1OF. So this is still a C2, C3. No, C3. There's always a target there. That's the thing. But if we try to strictly um target the original consolidation, it would be different. No SMTs. So we'll see. Okay, that's a nice candle. Okay, then let's change state to be again. Okay. If it goes below this candle, I would collapse the trade there. Yeah. So sadly, seems like we're going down here. Uh, we're going down here, but we're bullish still. But I feel like there's a what's going to happen here. Maybe it goes sorry, 10 a.m. And I'd say that's a reversal. Maybe to target this for value gap. Same here. To target this for value gap. This is the target now. Even though if we take this one, I think that will happen first before we trade above again. Yeah. So I would expect a C2 here. Yeah. So this is good. So we have a consolidation here and then manipulation to continue higher to target the equal highs. This is a good trade. However, I don't trade past 12 a.m. So this PM session, we'll see. I'll just, I don't care if I miss this trade. I don't think we're going to trade below here. Yeah, so consolidated. Maybe we're going to another manipulation that could continue higher Wednesday. So Wednesday, I won't trade due to CPI day. Just outside the price action there. Yeah, so like I said, we're not going to trade below here, right? Just continue higher. I think we're going to target here. Yeah, we did. So why didn't I trade the Wednesday? It would be a good trade. But either way, those are rules. So now that uh, we have not closed yet, so we'll see. Password this for this one. Next session. Okay. So we haven't closed above this fair value gap as with the others. So we have a C2 here. So this is also C2, respecting the fair value gap. Also a C2, although it was below here slightly. But I think we go to target here. I'm expecting a bullish, maybe, and it's with our daily bias because of this kind of loss. So yeah, let's see what will happen here. We don't have an S&P. 4 hour. So since it's 2 a.m. already, so we close this candle already at 1 a.m. We have the change state delivery 4 hours. That's a good candle because we still swept this one. Um, Same thing here. We did two. Um, and we have an SMP here. Yeah, so I believe we're going to trade over. Possibly to trade on this revival gap. Hmm. Here we have a clear target equal those. This is a valid target, the good target, if you call it like that. Two targets here. Uh, yeah. So let's see. 1 hour. Um, Waiting for a C2 here. I think this is going to be fast. So I'll just wait for the 30 minutes. What happened? No, this seems like a bug. Okay, I reached low early. Then actually I could trade the C3 already, but we have verbal gap here. So I would wait for a C2 here, then continue lower. Here. Hopefully it will not break that one. And it's empty. No, do we? Yeah, we have an SMT low here. So this could be an expansion again. Not sure. Ah, so we could call this a chain state delivery again. If it close. Okay, that's a nice rejection. So I could look for uh I could look for a C3 already. C3 CISD here. Let's change the one early. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Let's see if we could. I'll just wait for a open hello close. Okay, that's a change state delivery. Okay, so there's a change to state delivery. Sorry about that, guys. I'll say here just to yeah. So if we trade higher than that, then it's really not a good idea. So I'll just match the target with so here. Oh, it's too far. Let's see to target that one. 2.5. Yeah. Damn it. Save the journal. You could target no. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. We'll see. But this trade is already good to my eye. So the thing with backtesting is that if you do a lot of it, uh, it'll really familiarize your model, and if you're familiar with your model, you would know how and when to trade it and when not to trade it. The most important thing, and then also there's also a feeling, especially if, for example, this trade runs without me again. Yeah, there is a FOMO or something like that. But that's where your discipline comes to help you C2, C3 OB, and then so for structure trade, that's nasty. Okay, yeah, so that hurt my feelings. If we did that, meaning we violated the EQ of the scandal of the week, though we're going higher again, which we also have a target here. The order flow is not much though, so we'll sit. Order flow is bullish. Oh, so it's bullish now, right? Okay. So we could trade higher here. But let's sit out. Oh, oh, so they just manipulated my stuff. Uh, so not correct right now. Should I see an SMT here? No, no SMT. Why? Why did they take my stop? That was a nasty one. I believe this is a intermediate term high already because of the FBG here. I believe it will hold, but yeah. If I did that, then I would move my target, which will be too far. Anyway, so I'll just save this one. Let it off again. So this is an awful week. We have a lot of losing trades, hard trades. Okay, I think another lose and then I'm done for this week. I would not push it anymore. Yeah, that's fucked up. Oh my god, that's so fucked up. Yeah, so we are right all along. And yeah, could have been a winning trade even higher. Yeah. Either way, it was a good trade. Supposedly, he really likes to stop us though. Yeah, I was also thinking about that, not putting. So this is not a weak high. This is intermediate or high because of the FVG, like I said. But yeah, well, I'll try to observe more of my trades and see why um I get stopped out, especially if it goes to my yeah. So it's really a weak high, I think. So on this 30 minutes, we have a candle to higher. Uh, yeah, so take, yeah, I would let's take another screenshot just to hurt myself. Really went to the TP. And let's up, out, but one, two, TP. Okay, so let's move on to another trade. Um, I'll see if we could. Thursday, there's 7:30. Uh, so we are bearish, so yeah, I could wait somewhere like here and then just adjustment. Okay. Oh, we could have got trade here. So there. Okay. Okay. That's nice. That is nice, but the GU is not cooperating. This is not a good trade. This could be this is not a synchronized market, so we could lose this trade. I don't want to risk something that we're not sure yet. Uh, we'll see. Yeah, so if I took the trade, let's we'll see if we can win this trade. Yeah. My God, this is God. Oh, so it's not close yet. Yeah, it was not close yet that time, 7 a.m. So in 30 minutes, I guess we have an entry. Yeah, but we can see this reversal. Uh, how would we know that it's not going to reverse? Right here. Oh, so we have an SMT here. SMT here. Said FVG. Yeah, yeah. So we can do here. Let's see. Why don't we why don't we replay to that date? Okay, let's see if we could have another run here after all of those runs. Also one SMT somehow. Yeah. Low is 89785. Yeah, that's equal low. So uh I'm not sure. It's not an obvious SMT. But anyway, we'll see. Let's mark the EQ of this week. That's a long last week. So 30 minutes time frame. How about an hour? So an hour will have an entry. So yeah, we could read here. Steps here. And then to R the target. Okay. So we can target this strong high 0.4R. Hopefully we could have an entry here. It is swing high. This is a good high. This is a strong high, really. And we don't have news anymore, so hopefully we could have at least one trade here. Thursday. And we're bearish Thursday because of this one. So yeah, it's within our daily bias there. I'll just place a limit here. So still with daily bias. With daily bias, H1 OS, C2, C3, and nothing. Target. Uh, yeah, let's consider S&P with S&P. C2? No, it's not a C2 S&P. Uh, by the way, this is a 3-minute entry. This should be a 3-minute. No, there's no S&P. Just change this to 30 minutes and I'll just ignore the rest. Just like that. Okay. 30 minutes and then 30 minutes. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can do that. Duplicate, duplicate filters. Go. Yes. I can put the 1 hour here and then here 30 minutes and then disable this. No, that's not work like that. Anyway, yeah, so we stick to the 30 minutes. No, no SMT. Let's just rate this 4-star and then carry on. Don't tell me you're not gonna give me an entry again. My God, this is It can drive me crazy, you know. This is shit. So overall, it could have the calls are okay. We're just getting slipped by a hit or something. It's not really good. No, 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 no. This freaking sucks. Win, but missed trade. So those missed trade could cover all of these losses already. I mean, that trade already can cover the losses. Almost. Yeah. So it sucks. Sucks. So today we already have a lot of expansion. I don't think we're going to have another one. Maybe we're going to retrace it after reaching this low. Yeah. So yeah. I would not. I would not counter this one. I know. I could have. I could have. You know, to target the EQ. But yeah, could have, could have done that here after this close. 10:30 could have looked at entry for 11 a.m. But it's counter trend 11 a.m. Counter trend plus 11 a.m. Let's see here. So this is the high. Something under high here. So this is a good low. Could have traded. No, here. Right here. And stop into our. Yeah. We have an SMT to consider that long. I think we could have considered that if we have an SMT. Mm, yeah, we do. We do have an SMT. So maybe here, SMT. Even here, we have an SMT here and here. So yeah, I have an SMT there. Uh, do we have an SMT here too? No. Yeah, so we Geo with SMT and then CIST and then our profit. Yeah. So it's that. No, 30 minutes is, I feel like 30 minutes is better. We'll see. We'll see the Friday because we're like wounded this week. So we did not have a loss yet. Like I said, we're going to stop if we have another loss. So for this week, we are down 2.5 or something. Yeah, so that's 2.2% already. If we risk 1%. Now, from Thursday, let's close it. Go to next day open. Uh, next session. 2 a.m. Let's close here. Um, we're bullish. Uh, like 4 days straight. And then we have a reversal here. High, let's say high of the week. CPI, we could have Thursday and then continue higher again. That's what I'm thinking. So we should go lower here. But we close on the previous day high. Seeing here. Thursday low. So we're likely to go lower here. It's just my 2 cents. Uh, we'll see. We'll see if we can see some shorts here. For hour, we already closed that one, so we're just consolidating here. I would say the range is gonna be the gun box here. Yeah, I don't have gun box yet. I'll just get my gun box set up here. Yeah, so let's copy this one, paste this one, save, range, PQ, and then remove this one. So I just copied this from my trading view and just pasted here. I think it works because this is also trading view software. So yeah, under learnings, guys. Anyway, so this is for our range. So I don't think we're going to trade higher here. Like I said, we're bearish for the day. Mm, but I don't see a setup here. Maybe 1 hour. Okay, so we swept this high, but I'm not convinced about that yet. We have SMT. Yeah, so we have an SMT here. So that could be a valid sweep. We have an SMT here too. This is weird. Yeah, so I would not, never mind that. So the thing here is we have this equal highs. So I think we're going to take that for going lower. That's what I think. Let's just move on 30 minutes. If it, let's just see. Okay, that was a nasty open for the 3 a.m. For the 2 a.m. I mean. So yeah, we already have candle two. Like I said, but I think we're going to trade here. I might be wrong though. So 2 a.m. trade candle. See if we can trade here. Oh, oh my god. So it just went like that. Now we are. Do you have an SMT here? No, no, we don't have an SMT here. Yeah, so see, we could trade lower again, and then that's the time. No, yeah. So like I said, we're really going to take this equal high. I mean here, the equal high. This is just a manipulation. Read about that, then another C2, then I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, so they already took that one. Like I said, they took that one. And then now we are retracing to 30, so we could look for entry at 3 a.m. And we have a change state delivery. So, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, so like I said 3 a.m. because I want this candle to be closed, but Seems like we're not closing anymore. I think we have a SMT somewhere here. Yeah, we do have an SMT here. Wait 3 minutes. That's why already we don't need to close. So 2:30 could be an entry already. After this change state delivery, we traded. That's the 2 hour already. Yeah, so this okay. I might we might have a trade here. Yeah, that's good. I would short here. Do we have a target? Let's see, 1 hour. Don't believe that we're going to target that one here, possibly. So we'll see. So this is a 30. What? So Geo expanded, and I am shorting here. So we have a massive SMT buff. Yeah. Uh, this is not a high probability trade. With you that bullish, I don't know. So it did not hit our entry. Yeah, so just keep on tilting here, guys. I was lucky that we did not figure that one. I was looking on the short side to the close, but I was skeptical about it, like I said. Like I said, we're going to open higher. But could already look for entry 3:30 a.m. because it is close, and it would have been a winning trade again. Although there's no entry. So yeah. Let's see. NY. I could target here. NY candle 2 here. Please, candle 2. No. Candle 2, please. It's 4:30. I could actually trade here now. I know we're. And if you notice, our range really did hold here. So just the equilibrium. Anyway, let's try to long this one. So we're looking for a 5 a.m. CIST, which we already did here. Just make that 6 pips, and we have a good target here. Let's see. Come on. Save and journal. So we're against daily bias this time, and we should have traded GU here, or maybe I'm not. I'm kind of fatigued there. I will trade. Yeah, so our order flow is here is bullish already, so it's okay. Counter the daily bias as long that it's obvious. So yeah, it also matches with the DXY. We go over C2 on the FPG. So yeah, screenshot with daily against H1OF. It's good. C2. C3 with valid target. Oh, this is another 4-star trade. And we'll see. Let's see. Give me an entry, please. And don't take me those, please. Oh my god, this is not good. I cannot. Oh, this is Tuesday, February. Did it close below here? No, we did not. Yeah, we did. I was thinking it could. Yeah, let's take this loss if we lost it. That's a nice reversal. We did not follow our system again. Oh, so acceptable this one and 30 minutes cap. Accept this equal high. We could go down from here. This is not good. See if we close below the FAG here. I would collapse the trade immediately. Oh, okay. Oh my god. I could have closed the trade here with that nasty. Forget it. Let's just take the L. You know what? No, I won't take the L. I mean, I would not consider this a change state delivery yet, but this one, of course, I would. So we'll just replay it here, and that's our last trade for the week, I guess. Because we lost that one. So here, uh, I'm not sure if it's going to be recorded. Yeah, we need to go back here. Yeah, it's like cheating, but I'm sorry. I just want this to be done. Maybe. Yeah. So so let's a limit here. Why is not going? Let's cancel this one and then take another screenshot against daily H1OF C2 C3 with right targets out with this three because you're against daily bias. And then yeah, I would close the trade here. All of it. Yeah. So so we're down 3% here for the week. Almost. I have like 0.3, but I would not trade at all. I mean, if this is live, I would have gone tilted already. I think this is one, two, three, four, five, six, like three, four losing streak, but that's normal. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll end this stream now.